How to turn on or turn off use live caption on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. So after click on accessibility, so click on scroll down and click on heading enhancement. So after click on heading enhancement, you will see second option is live caption. So click on live caption. So after click on live caption, you will see use live caption is here. So if you want to turn on use live caption, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see use live caption is turn on. So if you want to turn off use live caption, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see use live caption is turn off. So you will turn on or turn off use live caption from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off use live caption on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.